Alright guys, as promised, we're going to be making more and more videos. So today we're going to be going a little bit in depth into this 2020 Ford F-150. We're going to be doing a 6-inch lift. We're going to be doing some wheels and tires. So let's get into it. We'll check it out. We'll see what kind of stuff Nolan's got on the fly in the back. And then we'll make sure we get you guys a before and after of what this thing looks like. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so let's check this thing out. So Nolan's got it put up on the hoist. So we'll turn. He's got most of it ripped apart in the front end. Looks like he's all got. And then you guys can see he's got the knuckles and stuff all on the ground here. Working away. Let's see what else we got. So this is a 6-inch rough country kit. You guys can see this customer did opt to go with the lifted strut option, which is a great option and helps with ride. Especially with this is a really good option if you decide to lift a truck that's a little bit older. Your struts might already be at that point where they need to get replaced, so it's a great opportunity if you are going to be ending up lifting the truck to throw those in there. Just take one note, if you guys do decide to go with the lifted strut option, remember in the future if you do ever have to replace the strut, it's not going to be readily available. It's going to be something that you're probably going to have to order in. Some places might stock these lifted struts, but in most cases that these will need to get ordered in for you, so that might be one thing that's that might hold you off on it. But in this case, I think the pros definitely overcome all the cons there. But this thing's going to look pretty sweet when it's all wrapped up. I'll give you guys a quick video of it when it's all finished up and on the ground. That looks awesome. Yeah, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little clip. If you guys want to see more content coming out from us, make sure you guys comment below what you guys would like to see. We're going to try to see if we can post more and more often. It does get tricky being this busy this time of the year, but obviously we'll try to put out as much content as we can for you guys. Make sure you guys are following us on our Facebook page. If you guys have any questions or need an inquiry done, hit us up on Messenger. You guys can even text our line 780-532-0551, or you of course can talk to myself and some of the sales staff here at our GP location or any of our other locations, throughout Alberta, BC, and Saskatchewan. If you guys want a full listing of where our locations are and where we can also ship out to, make sure you guys check out our website at www.canadacustomautos.com.